In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a picture to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, just click on the photo that you wish to add. You can also select Gallery section on the left instead. Select your photo from here and tap on Done. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!